So as you can see, I'm going to install or upgrade the SDK. From here, NEXUS-MM also uses SDK. So as you can see now, I'm really satisfied. Nice. So we're going to type Python. So now we can type in commands so that the model will use it. So here is from NEXUS SDK import. Nice. And here is robots, NEXUS robots. So as you can see, it's taking in the commands, it's taking in it. So now NEXUS-MM has taken in all the inputs I want it to take. Both ice is equal to 0.8, which is the speed. Move forward, not backward. The robot is moving forward. So here is print the action, print the process, the whole process that I just mentioned it for it. So this action is what your robot is going to be requesting to NEXUS whenever it there encounters any real world events like this or any similar event. So as you can see, we are going to ask NEXUS-MM through the SDK to print out the risk management just as in the dashboard or front end. So action stop risk 0.95. So this proves that NEXUS-MM is working. From here you should know that NEXUS-MM risk assessment is saying that the I score is the risk is 0.95 and the speed is 0.8 make, which says that which this tells the robot stop, that if you move forward you are going to fall down. So the robot will optimize or do any other action that is going to not let it fall on the ground. So also